Hi guys and welcome to my channel. So I've not done a beauty video for quite some time now. I'm not gonna do a full makeup look, blah. I'm gonna just do an eyeshadow look. I've been like basing my looks recently on the Blood Sugar palette by Jeffree Star because out of all my eyeshadows, I mean I've got Morphe and all sorts, but sometimes the pigmentation doesn't seem to last and it fades out by the rest of the day. Usually Jeffree Stars, it lasts all day. So we're going to do this. So if you haven't seen the Blood Sugar palette, it comes in this nice little box. And when you open it, you have this. How pretty is that? And I know his new First collection's coming out and I really want that too. And I know that he's got this gorgeous blue liquid lipstick. Oh, I really need that. So, I forgot my primer. I will be right back. So now I have my primer. Can't forget that. I'm not going to use any concealer either because, I mean, these eyeshadows are pretty pigmented. I think I've put too much on. They're pretty pigmented, so I'm not going to bother with that. I mean, some eyeshadows that I've used don't seem to really pop unless you use, obviously, concealer. But I've noticed with Jeffree Stars, they seem to pop. I have noticed though that I went back to the Beauty Killer palette to use the pink the other day, but the pink in this, it looks like it's the similar colour to each other, but this one seems to be more neon-y pink than the other one. Just some little information there for you if you really want to know. Right, so, oh, actually, I'm going to lie. I do use a bit of concealer, but that's just because, you know, to make the gold bit there stand out, because I'm going to go in with red and it can get a bit messy and, yeah. So I kind of lied a little bit, but I'm not using it right now. So anyway, we're going to go in with this red here called Fresh Meat. And I'm going to start just by just dabbing it in the corner for now. And then we're going to bring it across into this corner. So I did this and I've used no transition shades or anything. Do you know what? I don't know why I've not done a makeup video in ages. I really need to start doing them again. There's a fly annoying me. But yeah, I don't know why I've not been doing them. Being lazy. Just trying to get it to match. I'm going to fluff it out a little bit. Just trying to get it the same height as my other eye. It's like, it's like if you go too high, you're gonna look like a clown. If you don't do it high enough, it's not gonna look the same. Do you know what's weird? The pigmentation always sticks to this eye better than that one. Yeah, I always have trouble getting this eye the same as that one. Am I lopsided? Like, have I got weird eyes or something? And I still haven't got a ring light, so when it's sunny, I really cannot do any videos right to the moment. So I'm having to like struggle with the sunshine. So let's hope I can get one, you know, soon, and I'll be able to do videos better and like somewhere to sit, because at the minute I'm currently just stood up and it's annoying. Right, I have actually forgot to get my concealer, so I'm going to go and get some concealer and I'm going to cut some of this away and then we're going to go in with the gold. So I went ahead and I've done my concealer. And when I did this eye, I used my finger. I don't really think you need to use your finger to put this on because it's that pigmented. I really don't think you need to use your finger. But because I've done it on that eye, I'm going to do it on this one. So I went in with the colour Donna Kebab. And basically I just put it on my finger. It's so pigmented. And basically I just slapped it on. See, when I went underneath, I know a bit's gone underneath now, but I used a brush and it went on more or less the same. I'm just trying to do what I did with the other eye, to be honest. Let's get a bit more red in just. And then a little bit. Right, so I'm just gonna go pause this video because I'm gonna do my eyeliner, and no one wants to see me doing that. The struggle's real. Anyway, I'm gonna do my eyeliner, and I'm gonna stick my eyelashes on, which are Violet DeVos ones, and then I'm gonna come back and I'll finish off the under eye, and then we can celebrate together. Okay, now to finish it off. Right, so all I did was I went in with blood sugar, and blood sugar is like a beautiful metallic red. The sun! The sun! Quick! Quick before it decides to ruin my day. It makes it so much harder for me to do it with the sun. Get watery eyes as it is, and it's annoying. And then we're going to go back in with the donor colour. Just this week. Yeah, we did it. And we're done. So yeah, love the blood sugar palette. All the colours are amazing. I haven't tried the browns. Not really a brown kind of person, but because I like to be different. But I'm gonna try a look tomorrow with the browns. So I've really not tried them. The only one that I struggle with sometimes, I've not tried this red either actually. I have not tried Prick. I like saying that. I've not tried Prick. Don't know if I've tried Cherry Soda, to be honest. So I really need to try these reds. And the only one I struggle with in the purples is this cone one, because if you pack it on it's fine, but sometimes it's hard to work with. But yeah, so I'll try and do a look with the browns. What colour is that? Like a nudie colour. So yeah, I really need to try doing one with these two reds. So I need to like do a bright red look, and then I need to use the browns. But yeah, it's a great palette. If you did like this video and you want to try doing it yourself, then yeah, it's easy, it's not hard, it's quite easy to do. Don't think you need eyeliner on, to be honest, but with certain looks I like to have it. So if you liked this video, please like, comment and subscribe, and don't forget to turn on your notification bell so when I do upload a video you get to see it when I decide to upload a video. I am really slack, sorry. I really need to do some more eye looks and stuff. I'm thinking of different ideas on what to bring out there and do. So anyway, please don't forget about me. Even though I've been away for a while, please don't forget about me. Please come back. And I will see you in my next one.